Aave value sort of equivalent to $50.8300 a coin. The present range, $49.08, $51.18, which is very huge. The earlier day close, $50.10. The change was plus 0.7300, plus 1.46%. Backwards rate, USD to Aave in an exceptionally significant way. Aave value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Aave cost expectation for June 2023. At the outset, cost at $63.9. Most extreme cost $64.30. Lease cost $37.80. The normal for the month $52, which is genuinely huge. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $41.90. Change for June 34.4%. Aave to USD expectations for July 2023 incredibly. To start with, cost at $41.9. Most extreme cost $42.90. Lease cost $32.70. The normal for the month $38.20. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $35.20. Change for July 16.0%. Aave cost expectation for August 2023, which is very huge. First and foremost, cost at $35.2. Greatest cost $35.20. Lease cost $29.80. The normal for the month $33.10. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $32. Change for August 9.1%. Aave to USD expectations for September 2023. Before all else, cost at $32.0, which is very critical. Greatest cost $32.40. Lease cost $28.20. The genuinely normal for the month $30.70. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $30.30. Change for September 5.3%. Aave cost expectation for October 2023. First and foremost, cost at $30.3. Greatest cost $31.10. In every way that really matters. Lease cost $27.10. The normal for the month $29.40. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $29.10. Change for October 4.0%. Aave to USD expectations for November 2023, which is genuinely huge. At the outset, cost at $29.1. Most extreme cost $29.10. Lease cost $25.20. The normal for the month $27.60. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $27.10. Change for November 6.9%. Aave cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else, cost at $27.1. Most extreme cost $33.60. Lease cost $27.10, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The exceptionally normal for the month $29.80. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $31.40. Change for December 15.9%. Aave to USD expectations for January 2024. At the outset, cost at $31.4. Most extreme cost $31.40. Lease cost $24.60. The normal for the month $28.50. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $26.40. Change for January 15.9%. In opposition to prevalent thinking. Aave cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost, cost at $26.4. Greatest cost $26.40. Lease cost $20.60. The normal for the month $23.90. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $22.20. Change for February 15.9%, which is very critical. Aave to USD expectations for WAC 2024. In the first place, cost at $22.2. Greatest cost $26.80. Lease cost $22.20. The normal for the month $24.10. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $25. Change for spring 12.6%. Aave cost expectation for April 2024. To start with, cost at $25.0 in a sort of significant manner. Greatest cost $25. Lease cost $20.50. The normal for the month $23.10. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $22. Change for April 12.0%. In opposition to prevalent thinking. Aave to USD expectations for May 2024. In the first place, cost at $22.0. Greatest cost $22. Lease cost $17.80. The normal for the month $20.20. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $19.10. Change for May 13.2%. Aave cost expectation for June 2024. To start with cost at $19.1. Greatest cost $23.80. Least cost $19.10. The genuinely normal for the month $21.10 in an unobtrusive manner. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $22.20. Change for June 16.2%. Aave to USD expectations for July 2025. Before all else cost at $12.8, which is genuinely huge. Most extreme cost $12.80. Least cost $10, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The for the most part normal for the month $11.60. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $10.80. Change for July 15.6% USD to Aave conversion scale genuinely equivalent to 0.0197 Aaves per $1. Today, S-reach 0.0195 minus 0.0204. The past day, S nearby 0.0200. Change for now 0.0003, 1.50%, which is very critical. Dollar to Aave figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 US dollars to Aave expectations for June 2023. Initially cost at 0.016 Aaves. Most extreme cost 0.026, least 0.016. The exceptionally normal for the month 0.021 in a significant manner. The USD to Aave estimate toward the month's end 0.024. Change for June 50.0%. Dollar to Aave estimate for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 0.024 Aaves. Greatest cost 0.031. Least 0.023. The normal for the month 0.027. The USD to Aave gauge toward the month's end 0.028. Change for July 16.7%. USD to Aave expectations for August 2023. In the first place cost at 0.028 Aaves. Greatest cost 0.034. Least 0.028 amazingly. The really normal for the month 0.030. The USD to Aave estimate toward the month's end 0.031. Change for August 10.7%. Dollar to Aave estimate for September 2023 in a huge manner. At the outset cost at 0.031 Aaves, or so they in every practical sense thought. Most extreme cost 0.035. Truly least 0.031, which especially is very huge. The normal for the month 0.033. The USD to Aave gauge toward the month's end 0.033. Change for September 6.5%. USD to Aave expectations for October 2023. To start with cost at 0.033 Aaves, which is very critical. Greatest cost 0.037. Least 0.032. The normal for the month 0.034. The USD to Aave figure toward the month's end 0.034. Change for October 3.0%. Dollar to Aave figure for November 2023. To start with cost at 0.034 Aaves. And